What are you going to wear today? Jaiñphong daka ay mentakasngi. I am going to wear a short pant and a t-shirt. Nganphong daka patlon lingkon bat kasopti. Which color are you going to wear? Jaiñphong daka rong ayu. Blue pant, white t-shirt, and black shoes. Patlon rong beneng, sopti rong lia, bat juti rong yong. Put on your cap as it is very hot outside. Kop yakatupya namar kashit bha Shaphang. But I have applied oil on my hair. Tangba ngala adapta umpnyang hausnu. Not a problem. You can take bath later. Amlilay pila bansum hadian. How many hours do I have to wear a cap? Katnu kanta ngan hapang tupya. Only 2 hours is more than enough. Tang ar kanta kalabon yakabadon kam. Do you have sunglasses with you? Do you have sunglasses with you? Pidan yit kmat dasngi bat pi. I have it, but it is broken. Ngadan tang ba kalas new. Then I will buy a new one for you. Dengan tiet dakabatamay na benta jong pi.